Hi, welcome to software testing tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to write integration testing test cases. So first of all, what is integration testing? Integration testing means it is a type of testing where you have to test the integrated parts of your applications, whether it could be a data insertion in a database, and whether it could be another integrated system like SAP systems, whether data is going properly or not, whether data is inserting properly or not. Suppose example, customer registration and update. So like this. So what are the modules are integrated with another systems? Okay, that will be we have to test whether it is giving proper data, posting the proper data or not. Okay, so let me explain before writing the test cases what we have to write. Okay, this is the integration testing. So what I want integrated my web applications, okay, which is integrated with database, which is integrated with SAP PI and integrated with SAP. Okay, so when coming to web applications, what are the operation I'm performing? Suppose registration, sign up, okay, sign in, update, extra something, payments, like anything. So whenever the registration is happening, like sign up in our web applications, then data will be inserted into database as well as SAP. See, the data inserting in database, something tables, as well as data should be inserted in SAP. Okay, this is for registration. What will happen? Some customer IDs or something IDs will be created for particular customers who is registered, and he will send an email, like everything will be sent from web applications. Okay, so when our data is set in database, that data will be posted to SAP or something, any like another database, like what we call BIPI, something, another database most of the people are using nowadays, big data, something IBM MDM. So like this, so data will be, why these many integrated systems they are using means your data should be unique. If suppose I am not using any PI or SAP something, these extra modules integration, so when our data is inserted in database, right? So unfortunately somebody deleted the data, unfortunately by mistakenly something is happened, like it is crashes, database is crash, or network crashes because of search code something. So anything will happen on this database. That's why when the data is inserting in database, that data will post into another system. Another system, if we are launching the data from here, okay, while inserting the new columns, while inserting the any modifications, so at the time we can't roll back once you commit. So we will get the data from these systems or this system. Okay, that's why we are integrating number of modules, okay, number of integrations. This will be your customer data should be safe. So here what you have to do, how you will write the test cases. Okay, this one you have understood, right? So when the data is giving here, again updating in database, okay, as well as through PA it will have connection from here or here. SAP PA it will update the data in database as well as it will display in portal. Okay, let me explain. Just me write here from here. Here it will update. Okay, so you can understand clearly. SAP PA. Through the PA it will update. Okay, again it is from data from here. SAP it will update. From SAP PA it will update. Okay, you can take from here as well as here. Okay, now let me write the test cases. So first of all we need to write the test cases for posting our data, right? So prerequisites will be your application and SAP PA this module and SAP to write integration with SAP BI or something, any module. Then write PA. Now my requirement is, so another data is creating from the web application, where the data is inserting in PI, okay, as well as SAP, as well as our application, means a database. So what will have test case 001, it will have what is the type, it will have manual. So manually we are writing the test case, right? Not it is automated. So will be sanity. So first of all we have to do sanity. So what it will be, module name will be, what will happen, what will is the module name, integration. Here it will be integration testing only. Okay, what is the object? Verify customer is able to register in SAP. So this will happen. So what you have to do, open portal, your application portal, and perform new registration. Okay, verify customer details in SAP. So this is a simple step. First we have to, what customer will do, it will open the portal, it will he or she will perform new registration and verify customer details in SAP. Okay, what is the test data? URL customer details. Okay, so what is your expected result? Customer details should be insert into SAP system. The actual result till now not run. Execution status not applicable. Prepared by your name. Prepared date here, today's date. This is a sanity. This is very important test case. That's why it is sanity. Second, what is your test case? Verify customer details are updating in SAP. After update in portal. Okay. Now what you have to do? Perform customer updation. Okay. Here it will be existing customer. Updated customer details, not like this. Customer details should be updating SAP system, same like. Okay, next test case 3. What will happen? Test case 3, verify register customer details, inserting into SAP PI. Okay, same this one. It's in SAP PI. Here it will display customer details should be inserted into SAP PI system, and customer detail should be unique. Why unique means we are maintaining three databases. One is our local database, another one is SAP BI something, another system SAP PI. So why we are maintaining means this customer detail should be unique. So let me run one more. Sorry, verify. Another test, what it will be, another test cases. Verify, duplicate customers are creating in SAP system. Okay, if portal is allowing, or if someone is doing from what we call through the web services. So system customer details should not be duplicate in SAP system and should be unique details. Now we are having some, like I am having multiple web applications. So then what will happen? Verify multiple customers are creating in SAP system. SAP system through multiple applications. Okay. New registration. Okay. So customer details, customer detail should be updated in SAP system with different app ID, with different app ID. Why? Because if there are multiple applications, okay, if one customer is coming from one application, so how you will identify this customer is coming from these applications? So it belong, these customer details will be belongs to that particular applications. So if you are not allowing those customers to create, so then you will lose the customers from different applications, which is maintaining one single database plus one integrated modules. So then we are allowing the customers so that he can have multiple data in multiple different systems, which is pointing to different programs. So at that time it will be useful. So like this, you need to write the integration test cases. Like every single validation you have to write the test cases. Okay, and last test case I will give you. For example, verify customer payments are posted through SAP PI. See, simple. We have a payments also, right? Perform any payment. Wait, any payment using cash or card or credit card, etc. Okay, verify payments in SAP PA. Okay, your customer details will be and payment payment media, suppose card, let's see card, and customer payment detail should be insert into SAP PA in the form of number, in the form of payment details, and should generate unique unique ID for each payment record. So what is the second one? It will come unique generated unique ID should be reinsert into local database against same payment record. So why we are generating the unique record means if it is unique ID for each and every record, then it is easy to identify so which customer has paid through the which payment media. And why we are updating in local database means thus unique ID should be updated in local database so that we can verify. So we don't have any access of SAP PA or SAP something modules. So we are having access about our local database only. So if we are getting that response from SAP to our database, then we can know that okay, this ID is already posted into SAP. So because of this, we can know that what other data is posted, what other data is not posted, what is the error we are receiving. So everything will be tracked. Okay, that's why it is having every unique ID. It will be posted into our database. Okay, thank you. Like this, you can use your indication test cases. You can write. So what is the number of test cases I have written? Here it is a 6. Okay, the total test cases is a 6. So still now it is 0. Okay, so like this you can write your integration test cases. So while you are most of the integration test cases are using SOAP UI, which is in the form of web services and REST API services. Okay, so most of the time I'm using this SOAP UI JMeter. Okay, and if you like my video, please share my video and provide your valuable comments, and please like my video. Okay, thank you for watching me. We will see in the next lesson.